Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the Mediterranean mantis in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Mediterranean mantis looks like. I've just caught this insect and wait, let me open up my insect story so I can show you this insect information. Okay, this one guys. And you can catch this insect from the unseen mountain, specifically from the stone cliff. And for the weather, you can only catch this insect during the sunny days and also during the rainbow event. You won't be able to catch it during the rainy weather. Okay, and this is my hobby level for your information. I have level 5 in the insect catching hobby. Okay, then you're going to explore the stone cliff area. It's rare enough, so you need to watch out your surrounding. Okay, and this is the location on the map. And okay, guys, that's how you can catch the Mediterranean mantis in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.